Hello everyone. So I hope you all would be happy. Today I will tell you about anger. What is anger? It's just an emotion. Like happiness, sadness and calmness, anger is also an emotion. It's okay to be angry. It's normal to be angry and it's even healthy to be angry. Then why people are trying to control anger? लोग गुस्से को काबू में क्यों करना चाहते हैं? We have heard many things like count till 10, drink water, take deep breaths, and you will be able to control your anger. Let me tell you one thing, all these things are not to control the anger, all these things are to control the aggression. Now, what is aggression? Aggression is a feeling that comes after anger. Like you have to shout, you have to scream, you have to throw things, you have to tear pages, break down glasses. So this feeling is called aggression, which comes out because of anger. You need to control your aggression, not your anger. So aggression is destructive, but it is not all time possible that anger is also destructive. Many a time anger is also become motivation for people. If you are not able to achieve few things, you become angry. So this anger will become your motivation to achieve good things. If you are not better than someone, then also you will become angry. That will also become your motivation to become better than everyone. So what you have to do is just control your aggression. Now one more thing. You don't have to control your anger, but what you have to do is avoid the situations, avoid the conditions, avoid the reasons which are causing anger. Now to avoid anger, what you have to do is you have to start thinking on other people's perspective. If a person has done something wrong to you, first you don't become angry on him. Just calm down and think that what made that person to do something wrong with you. If you will start thinking on the world's perspective, 70% of your life's problem will be solved. You will be able to adjust with everyone. You will be able to empathize with everyone. You will be able to avoid your anger, and ultimately your aggression will be controlled. So just start thinking on others' perspective. आपको दूसरों के नज़रिए से दुनिया को देखना है, दूसरों के नज़रिए से खुद को देखना है, जिसकी वजह से आपकी लाइफ की 70% प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो जाएगी. आप दूसरों के साथ अच्छे से एडजस्ट कर पाएंगे, आपका अग्रेशन कंट्रोल होगा और गुस्सा अवॉइड हो जाएगा. सो इफ़ यू आर फीलिंग एंग्री, देयर इज़ नथिंग रॉन्ग इन दैट. It's normal to be angry, it's healthy to be angry. Just what you have to do is control your aggression and avoid your anger. And you have to start thinking on other people's perspective, on your family's perspective, on your friends' perspective, on this world's perspective. You have to see yourself. Ultimately, you will avoid anger and you will become a better person. Thank you.